Over the past couple of months here at Business with Joe, we brought you videos about how to make money on various social media platforms. This week is a little bit different, however, because we are trying to predict the future. You see, this week we want to talk to you about how you could use Facebook Messenger now and in the future. For quite a while now, investors of Facebook have been calling for money-making ideas for Messenger. They did this with Instagram a while back, and Facebook announced plans to open up ad targeting tools to the photo sharing service. Usually Facebook waits till its products have hit 1 billion users before focusing on turning them into a meaningful business. Messenger has nearly 700 million monthly active users, so it's nearly hit that landmark. The playbook that we're going to run with Messenger and WhatsApp is kind of similar to how we thought about building businesses on Facebook and Newsfeed, Zuckerberg said. Some background to Facebook and their thinking behind monetizing the various platforms they have. Back in early 2006, investors were pushing Facebook to monetize faster by placing banner ads on its site. However, Facebook decided that ads and monetization would work better if there was an organic interaction between the people using the products and the businesses. It encouraged businesses to join Facebook by creating pages and giving it away for free. It pushed them to try and get other users to like those pages and give them information to see how their pages were driving businesses. Facebook then started getting businesses to pay to promote those posts. Today, Facebook can charge much more for promoted posts than it could have done for banner ads. Zuckerberg said, "Messaging, I think, is going to be pretty similar. Right now, some people in WhatsApp, or to a lesser extent Messenger, use the service to communicate with businesses. Facebook has said it planned to start letting brands and businesses use Messenger to send customers receipts and shipping updates for products they bought or handle any other customer service issues. So once again, instead of forcing monetization, it wants to get people using the tools and then find a natural way to squeeze some money from the brands, which might not seem obvious right now. The long-term bet is that by enabling people to have good organic interactions with the business, that this will end up being a massive multiplier on the value of the monetization down the road. When we really work on that and really focus on the bigger way, so we ask for some patience to do this correctly. Facebook told marketeers how important likes and organic reach were, so they built an entire Facebook marketing strategy around the promise of that relevant, highly targeted audience they were going to capture. And now they have to pay to reach the same customer. Clever, getting the businesses to use the product until it becomes indispensable and then charge them. Just a short time ago, Facebook announced Messenger buy buttons with a simple checkout process, transforming your Messenger into a full-service e-commerce storefront. You're not sending them off to a website to potentially get distracted and wander away once they've shown interest in something you're selling. Instead, customers enter a credit card and address information that are connected to their Messenger profile when they want to purchase something. Facebook is working with all the major payment service companies, including Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, Visa, MasterCard and American Express, to handle transactions securely. Although at the time of making this video, they may have hit some issues, so watch this space. There will be different ways to display products between the gallery-style thumbnails and swiping, or a custom web page that sits inside the service. Individual messages featuring products can be shared with other friends on Messenger, and each shared message also offers a buy button. Direct people from your Facebook ads directly to your Messenger bots. This streamlining marketing keeps it all within your brand, and you could offer Messenger exclusive deals with special discounts to spark even more interest. With over 30,000 bots now on the platform, up from 11,000 before the launch of the new feature, the competitive space is heating up. Hopefully now you can start to see how Messenger in the very near future will become part of the buying and selling process. If you've ever looked at WeChat, then you know how it integrates lots of different things into its app to keep you on the one platform. In the past, you would have had to have had an app to call a cab, or order a restaurant, find a partner, and lots more. But now WeChat has brought all these together with tremendous success. It's therefore an easy leap to assume the likes of Facebook are going to do the same. There are of course simpler ways to make money right from using Messenger. We've talked in the past about how to make money online, and one way is survey completion. We know you don't make loads of money from these. However, could you use your Messenger list to refer people to these survey platforms? If you think you could, then there's good money and gifts that could be made by doing just this. SuperPay and Clio are just two of such sites that pay you to refer your contacts to them, and they pay as much as $5 for every sign up. Okay, so it's not going to make you rich, but it might just give you a bit of cash for an evening out. We know this isn't our normal video, but we hope it's been of some interest to you, and maybe giving you a glimpse into what will be happening fairly soon with Messenger. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.